Magandang araw po sa lahat. Kung napapansin ninyo, ay medyo tahimik ngayon ang mga issues against kay Bamban, Tarlac, Mayor Alice Guo. Parang kailan lang na when she was invited in a Senate hearing where her famous line was immortalized, thus, lumaki po ako sa farm. But seriously po, ano pong nangyari kang Mayor Alice Guo? Mayor Alice Guo po is currently preventively suspended by the Office of the Ombudsman, along with other two municipal officials for charges of grave misconduct, gross dishonesty, gross neglect of duty, and conduct prejudicial to the best interest of the service. Ano po ang origin ng charge na ito? According to the Office of the Ombudsman, the DILG alleged that Guo did not cancel or revoke the business permits issued to the POGO because of her alleged business interest in Baofu. Despite the fact that the Philippine Amusement and Gaming Corporation or PAGCOR revoked Zunyuan's Technologies franchise as POGO. As we all know, Baofu Land Development Inc. refers to the compound in Bamban Tarlac where the POGO is doing business. Guo is purportedly the president of Baofu, which purchased 8 parcels of land in Bamban last February 2019. So with this, the Ombudsman found sufficient basis for her preventive suspension for not more than 6 months. Since public official po si Mayor Alice, ano po ang effect ng kanyang preventive suspension? I think it's about time to discuss what is this preventive suspension of a public official. Since naririnig na natin ito sa news often ng mga public officers are preventively suspended. So to make things straight, preventive suspension pending investigation is not a penalty po. Yes po, you heard it right. Ito po ay hindi penalty. This is only a measure intended to enable the disciplining authority to investigate the charges against the public official by preventing him from intimidating or in any manner influencing the witnesses presented against him. Imagine nyo na lang po, kung hindi siya preventively suspended, then pwede niyang takutin ang mga witnesses na hindi mag-testify by using his or her powers. So, kinakailangan po talaga siyang i-suspended. The effect of this preventive suspension as against the public official is temporarily po, mawawalan po siya ng kapangyarihan sa kanyang tungkulin as a public officer. In Mayor Guo's case, it is the Vice Mayor muna that will exercise the powers vested to that of the Mayor while ongoing pa ang investigation. However, if the investigation is not finished and the decision is not rendered within that time period, the suspension will be lifted and the respondent will automatically be reinstated. So, kailangan within the period of the public official suspension, kailangan po magkaroon ng desisyon as to the charges against him or her. If after the investigation, the public official is found innocent of the charges and is exonerated, she should be reinstated. So ngayon po, since effective ang preventive suspension ni Mayor Alice, technically powerless po siya and considered po siya as an ordinary civilian. Pansamantala po lamang ito and she will be reinstated to her position as soon as there is insufficient evidence as to the charges pressed against her. Sana po ay may natutunan po tayo ngayon. Salamat po.